Viewers will. I got another meter score, as it was from another place. Good old car head unit. As far as I know, this thing does not have a code, which is good. A lot of full logic tape deck, which is really nice. And this thing has shortwave. That's really cool. I looked at the label and said, hang on, it just got shortwave. I'm grabbing this. 2.9 megahertz or 21.9 megahertz in the band. It's a Clarion Nissan stock head unit made in Japan. The amplifier chip is a Toshiba TA8220H, quite a powerful one. It's got something here. I wonder if that's an auxiliary input. It says nothing that's got a CD, but I wonder what it does. Might be. Yeah, it might be. Might be an amplifier or CD input or something. I have to mess around with that, see what it does. So I got this Boombox, good old JVC, RCX310, has shortwave as well. So I grabbed it, and the tape deck needs belts. It all works. This switch is dirty, so only one speaker works, so let's apply with the switch. Haven't tested the CD player yet. It's the, even plays mini discs, check that out. There's a good clean. It's the old CD player. So this might actually be a Technics CD mechanism in there. We'll have a look. It's got out for a hi-fi system, which is good. JVC doesn't say it's made in Japan. I'll just get this open. It's from the early 90s, so it'll possibly be Singapore or Malaysian made. No messy stuff from corroded batteries, but they've got to pull this thing apart to get their cassette mechanism serviced and get their switches cleaned. Yeah, figure 8. It's not old enough to have the old Boombox style cord or 12 volt DC in, so you can plug it into your car. It's kind of cool. Anyway, I think there's a really good clean. It's otherwise in pretty good condition. Just needs a really good clean. Nice little 4-inch speakers there with the bass ports. Set the bass horn. But as I said, no auxiliary input, unfortunately. But I just grabbed it because I thought it's going to be it's got shortwave. So there's also just as collectible having a multi-band boombox as well as other types as well. So that was nice and cheap. As for my meter score, well, I got some other goodies this time. Not a lot though. Nice old cheap ass multimeter in a vintage bag, but it's better. That's what it is. It's a cheap ass multimeter. Still good. Still got the batteries in it. I only hardly ever used. It's nothing special. Cheap stuff. The probes are in there too. This thing's indestructible. This thing's done a lot of work. A Haykalek neon type phase rotation and just a phase tester. Up to 3 phase, 110, 240. That's real nice, in good condition. Then got another one, which is that's the rotation one there. Needs a bit of repair. And that tells that the sequence of the phase rotation is correct. Nice and old. And this one's new, Easy Volt 2. There we go, a voltage tester, a proper one. So that's, yeah, never been used. You never use it and said, okay, you give it to you. Oh, thanks. Never ever used it because I didn't need this, so gave it to me. This is old. Electricity supply department of the SEC. Very old. These wires will have to be redone though. I'll get this out and have a look. What's in here? Set the camera. Oh, here it is. Wow, a GEC one. Oh, it's like an synchro motor. Wow. 80 to 500 volts, 16 to 100. Phase rotation indicator, check that out. It's a synchro motor in there and it's supposed to spin anti-clockwise. When this is all hooked up, it'll spin that way and it's correct. So there's wires that'll be fixed up. But geez, that's a collectible bit of porn there. Smells really good and old. That thing's proper antique, so I'm going to fix this up and get those wires restored. This thing's from back in the old you said it from the 1930s, I think. Late 30s, early 40s. The SEC back in those days are using these to do the testing 3-phase setups and factories and stuff. So, and out in the big switchboards back in the old days. Yeah, it's definitely from the Late 40s, early 50s, that one. Now I'll just check my other scores here. And there's another alum battery. Successful alum conversion number 2. Not a whole lot this time, but got a couple of Mark 1s and some smileys, and digital email down there, and a demand ammeter, WF. But the next couple of scores should be interesting. I've told them more stuff. I want like transformers. I hope more good meters. Is going to keep an eye on for more old meters, definitely. Time switches and other test equipment. So that'll be good. So this will probably stay out here to replace my Dick Smith meter anyway. My Dick Smith meter plays up on the ohms scale, so this will be good for out here. This Easy Volt 1 and 2 looks like a good manufacturer. Looks like a... I'll give it a test later on. I'm happy with that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.